Hello and welcome to my video 5.2, Like and Unlike Terms. This is based off the Math Makes Sense 9 textbook. And I'm going to basically call this, from now on, Simplify. So this is the topic in a nutshell. The question that you'll be asked on a test or an assignment would be, simplify the following polynomials, or maybe even just simplify and it gives you a polynomial. So here is what we're going to do. So we're going to look at this polynomial here, and what we can notice is that we can see this term and this term look the same. Now what I mean by that is that the degrees are the same. So if you don't know what a degree is, you can look at the last video 5.1, but in a nutshell, the degree is the exponent of the variable of the x. Okay, so the exponent is 1, exponent of 1. Okay, if there is no exponent, then the exponent is 1. Okay, so these are the same. Whoops. It's not liking my eraser here. Okay, so these are the same, so that they're called like terms, which means that we can just add the coefficients. And again, the word is in the last video. So coefficient is the 2 in front of the x, the number in front of the x. So 2 plus 2 equals 4, and we need to keep the x the same. So basically another way to think about it is that So another way to think about it is that x just means basket. So if I were to write this out now, I'd say, right? So it's the same idea as this. X is just a thing. It's holding something else. So basket is a good analogy. Baskets hold things. So maybe it's apples that you're holding. So the basket could hold 5 apples, 10 apples, 3 apples. You don't know. It's just a basket. So X is just a basket instead of telling you how many apples there are. So there's 2 baskets plus 2 baskets equals 4 baskets. Okay, now we're going to look at this next one. And here we have something different. So we have a degree 2, then a degree 1, then a degree 2. So what is good to know is that we just need to add the same degree with the same degree. So the two things that are degree 2, first I'm going to just say that I always go with the biggest degree first. That is common math notation. So biggest degree is degree 2, so I'm going to write x squared. And we have 4x squared plus 2x squared equals 6x squared. Sorry about that flashing. The degree 1, there's only one of those, so we're just going to write it out as is. And that's our answer. Okay, so it can only really do that same thing over and over again with different amounts of numbers, but it's the same steps. So here, I'm going to say that we're looking at our different degrees and the highest degree. And here, I'm noticing that I'm keeping the negative. So 4x cubed minus 2x cubed is 2x cubed. Then we have 2x squared and 2x squared. Or sorry, no x squared. It doesn't say a number there, so it's just 1. So it's got a little invisible 1 here. And that's important to notice as well. So 1 plus 2 equals positive 3x squared. There are no degree 1s here, but there are a few constants. So we can go 5 minus 2 equals 3. And that's all it is to simplify polynomials. So I hope that this video helped. I hope that this video helped and that you now know how to simplify polynomials. Good luck.